Is DentaVox a great paid service site, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this DentaVox review, I will give you an inside look and explain exactly how it works, because let me reveal right away that it is not a service site for everyone, but for some people it can definitely be interesting. So let's take an inside look so you can see exactly what I mean and find out if it will be worth it for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid to sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So I have now logged into DentaVox, and it is a paid service site, meaning that you can get paid to share your opinion, but it is also a quite unusual paid service site because it is not just about general service or general topics. This is dental surveys, so it is if you are interested in answering surveys about this type of topic, that it might be interesting for you. And also it has very specific payout methods, and I will go into all that later, but let's first look at the paid surveys you can find here. Because once you log in, you can just scroll down here and you can see all kind of different surveys you can take, and you can see approximately how long it take. And here it would be 20 questions about sensitive teeth or oral health in the classroom. You can see there are all kind of different surveys, and it has quite a lot of surveys, and I can even load more down here. And also they do not take too long to actually complete them. And you can also right away see how much you will get. Reward system here is a little bit complicated, but as I said earlier, we will look into that later, where I will explain exactly how much it is then worth, because you of course need to know that also. But overall, it definitely has quite a lot of surveys, and if you think that this is an interesting topic, yes, you can definitely find paid surveys here. And you can find surveys here almost no matter the country you live in. That is definitely also a great aspect of DentaVox. At the top where you can click to see your account overview, there are some different options. A lot of them are more like information you can find, but you also can find something called the DentaCare Oral Health app. And this is an app that you can download. It is not directly anything to do with DentaVox, so it is not a DentaVox app as such. It is something that they are promoting here, where you can download it and then you can earn in other ways here by improving your oral hygiene. So that is one of the things they promote in here. And there is also some blogs and some resources, and there is a game and different things like this. But the main way to earn in here is simply by taking the surveys. And now the important question is then, how can you then get your earnings out? And you just go to your profile overview by clicking your image in the corner here, and then you can get an overview and see exactly how much you have in your account. Here I can see that I have these 13,156 dental coins, and that is the currency that you will earn. It is a cryptocurrency that you can then use for different purposes. It is quite confusing what it is worth, and you can see that for some service you maybe get 40,000 DentaCoins or 100,000 or more, and it sounds like a lot to get actually. But exactly how much they are worth will change, because the DentaCoin is, as mentioned, a cryptocurrency, so the value can go up and down. But currently these 13,000 is worth around 11 cents. And you can just hover over here. You can also see it in euros, or if you want to see it in British pounds. You need to have 300,000 DentaCoins before you can withdraw, and you can only withdraw once per week, so you just need to bear that in mind. But it will also take quite a lot of surveys to reach the 300,000. And how you can then get them out is that you can take them out into a cryptocurrency wallet and keep them there and hope they will increase in value, or exchange them for other cryptocurrencies and also withdraw them from there if you want to. Or you can use it to pay a dentist next time you go there for a visit. However, that is only if your dentist is actually a part of the DentaCoin network. And you can see here they have a partner network on the website, and you can search by name or by location, and you can see here where they have. It is still quite limited where they have options. You can see, for example, in North America, these are the few dentists that are available where they are a part of it and where you can use your DentaCoin to pay for your visit. there. So it is not a lot, but it is planned for them, I'm assuming, to expand like this. But currently you have to be quite lucky to live close to a dentist to be able to use your coins for that. And other than that, it is only really relevant if you are interested in a new type of cryptocurrency and think it will be worth trying to earn that and know a little bit more about it, and then you want to take it into your wallet and hopefully they will increase in value, or you can exchange them to other cryptocurrency in this. But if you prefer just getting them out in cash right away through PayPal or as a gift card, then DentaVox is not the right service site for you. Then there are many other options that makes it a lot easier and that are easier to use. Overall, I think DentaVox is an interesting service site, and it has quite a lot of service, and they are quite fast and easy to complete also. The conversion ratio is quite confusing because they use this DentaCoin system that is a new cryptocurrency, so you just have to spend a bit of time to figure out if it will actually be worth it. Overall, I do not think DentaVox is very user friendly. It could definitely be easier to use, and they could give more information about how you then use your earnings in particularly. But it is free to join, and if you think that it could be interesting to take these surveys, and if you would like to earn this DentaCoin cryptocurrency, then it definitely can be worth checking out. But if you prefer sites that are easier to use and that pay in cash, then there are definitely a lot of other great opportunities. And if you want to know more details, I have a full review of DentaVox on my website, and I also there have lists of service sites that pay in cash or gift cards and that are easier to use. I will leave a link to that below this video here, so check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button, and then you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid to sites and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.